In today's video, we're going to be going over how to adopt an agent inside the Rival platform. We've been scrolling on the marketplace and we finally found ourselves an agent. Let's go ahead and click on it. Once we click on it, we can see the name, who published it, descriptions, we can see the tools attached. There's a part where you can demo the agent before you use it. You get a lot of overview and a lot of descriptions. You also see the price, what it costs to run this agent. What makes the price is the functions inside of this agent. As you can see here in this agent, there are 5 functions inside. Each function has its own price per call. The total cost of the agent is just made up of how you use these functions. Being on Rival's marketplace, the entire marketplace business model is based off this supply chain. Every developer who made these functions that go inside of this agent will get paid by every call the agent makes to the function. We see how it works. We can look at the guardrails, a day in the life for what this agent does for you, and the rituals that this agent runs on a schedule. Down here at the bottom, we have reviews and the change log. All right, it seems fair enough for me. Let's go ahead and adopt. Before we adopt, it gives us this second checker, just to make sure it tells the user that the conversations are private and the creator of these agents cannot see anything you put into them. We want to make that super clear for you guys. We can see the guardrails. These are very important because it helps the agent stay on track. And then we can see the rituals that it runs for you. Of course, you can change this once you adopt the agent. And then you get a second check for the pricing and what functions are inside of this. Let's go ahead and adopt. All right, so it seems like a lot here. The agent has been adopted in our workspace. We can see right off the bat an overview of what the agent is and the connectors and functions that belong in this agent. To set this particular agent up, you need to put in our email address. At the bottom here, we can see example prompts. We can also see the functions inside of this agent. Let's click on settings to set it up. Here we have the information on the agent. I usually don't touch any of this. If I need to add a guardrail, I can for my version, but it's entirely up to you. We have our tools as well. If you want to take out a tool, feel free. If you want to add one, also feel free to. That's all at your own expense. Sub-agent, I usually don't do this if the main creator doesn't recommend it. Add in more connectors if you want. Entirely up to you. For rituals, after we put in our multiple emails on the main screen on who we want to reach out to, it will show up under this ritual. As you can see, this ritual runs daily at 8 UTC. It tells us the steps it goes through, and we can choose if we want to schedule this. We can run it manually or you can run it autonomously. It's up to you. As we're scrolling down, we can see the other rituals and we can also schedule them if we want to. This is where our schedules show up once we have confirmed it with the ritual. Feel free to edit them and delete them. Of course, it's recommended that you keep it because the creators set up their agent a certain way. You can also add your own memories onto this or delete them. It's up to you. Remember, make sure to set up your agent and then you can start talking to it. It won't function as well if you don't set up anything. That's all, and have fun adopting. Thank you.